Instead of saying, I need to hire an editor, you say, I need an agent who just does this. And I need an agent that just does this. And an agent that just does this.
I was in my kitchen scrolling through my feed, and for months I kept rolling my eyes every time I saw another YouTube video saying the same thing. Because most of these are guys who never edited a client video in their entire life, and they're just selling you the fear so they can sell you their courses. Then I saw this video and I just stopped. I was shocked, because if Alex Hormozi, the guy who pays editors $70,000 a year, is now replacing them with AI agents, then maybe the editors stuck under $5,000 per month are just cooked. So I went deep into the rabbit hole. I studied every AI tool you can find: Claude Code, Hyperframes, Remotion. I made motion graphics that used to take me hours in minutes. I built entire workflows that cut the videos for me automatically. And 2 days ago, Anthropic just released Claude Fable 5, the most capable AI ever released to the public. So powerful that the US government had to ban it worldwide within days. Every 6 months this happens, and the gap between AI can do the job for me and AI just did my job is closing extremely fast. And I've done over 500 coaching calls with video editors, helping them land high-paying retainers scaled to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. And what I'm about to tell you right now is the only thing that separates the editors who are going to survive this to the editors who are not. Because the only question that every video editor should answer right now is, why would the client pay me in 2027? And the answer is not the mainstream advice that the editor who runs AI faster is going to win. The real answer, the actual answer, is broken down into 3 main differentiators that we are going to cover today, and I'm going to give you actionable steps to make sure that you survive this AI invasion era. And if you are interested in becoming the strategist AI can't replace, I made a free course showing you exactly how to do that. It's called the Content Operator Roadmap, and you can access it for completely free if you click on the button below this video and you join my free editing community called the Editing Dojo. The first thing that separates editors who survive from editors who don't is not skill, is not speed, and is not even AI. And the editor I will tell you about almost lost everything before figuring this out. Derek was just a 20 years old college student avoiding an internship he hated. 3 days before we started working together, his biggest client dropped him. From $2,000 per month, he was back to zero. The freelance thing that he bet everything on just blew up in his face. 1 week later, he locked in a client retainer for $4,600 per month. 3 months later, he scaled to $10,000 per month, landing clients like the team of Robert Kiyosaki and opening a content agency with his brother. And he did all of this without becoming a better video editor. He didn't learn new tricks, he didn't switch softwares, and he didn't even use AI. So how did he do that? You see, most editors ask, what should I cut, or what type of animation should I introduce here, but Derek started asking himself, what type of business outcome does this client desire from this video? He stopped being just another NPC delivering edits, and he started being more of a strategist, helping the customer achieve their business goal. That's why Kiyosaki's business partner started working with him, not because he was just another video editor. The client didn't want that. They were looking for someone who understood their business and the content game, so they can tie that together with a video, making sure that it will perform. The reason I'm telling you this is because AI can cut footage, AI can generate B-roll, and AI can take care of the entire editing process almost on its own right now. But AI doesn't know your client's business, doesn't know their goals, their audience, and what success looks like for them. And the editor who solves business problem will always be paid more than the editor who just delivers edits. So you have to start studying how you can help their customers. You have to understand their niche, their audience, and their goals. Then study successful videos in that area, making sure you understand why they did well, how they did well, and break them down so you can replicate it for your customer. And at first, you don't even have to be the biggest strategist. You can just start giving some ideas to your customers. Start creating some thumbnails with AI tools that's going to help the customers with their next videos, or even improve their titles or script writing. It's extremely easy to do that with AI nowadays, and I'm not talking about using AI to do the script for you or using AI to create everything from scratch. I'm talking about using AI as an executor while you are the brain behind of it. And that's exactly what we are going to cover a little bit later in this video, because even if you solve business problems for the customer, that's not enough. Most editors already solve business problems, but they are still stuck under $5,000 per month. That's because there is a second thing that differentiates the editors who are going to survive from those who are going to perish. And the editor I'm going to talk about right now is the living proof of it. Compared to Derek, Hamad was already a great video editor. He was solving real business problems, over delivering on his projects and working with big names. So why was he still stuck under $2,000 a month for more than 6 months? He was editing 10 to 14 hours a day for an agency, providing for his entire family in Pakistan and watching his bank balance not move at all. He kept telling himself, if I just get better in After Effects, then this will fix itself. And it never fixed itself until he stopped trying to become a better video editor. 30 days later, he closed a $7,000 per month retainer. Today, he scaled to $13,500 per month and opened a content agency, building a house for his family in Pakistan. All of that while being 19 years old and working 4 to 6 hours per day. His editing, though, didn't get better, so what changed? He learned how to communicate value. You see, most NPC editors just describe what they do. I clean the audio, I just added more B-roll or created animations. But strategist editors, real partners of their customers, talk about what the video produces. For example, this edit will increase how much time someone watches the video, meaning that the retention will go up. If the retention goes up, they will build a relationship with the customer. This means that they are going to stay longer to see the call to action. They will create this parasocial relationship with the customer. They will trust the customer and then they will buy because they will see the call to action. More people seeing the call to action equals more people buying from the video. It's the same edit but with different framing and it has 10 times more value. The reason I'm telling you this is because AI can already handle the editing part, we covered that. But AI cannot have the conversation for you. It cannot sit into a call with a customer and understand their problems. AI cannot translate technical decisions into business outcomes that the clients actually understand. Because clients hire humans they can trust, not tools they can use. But there is a third thing which is the deepest one and is the one that most editors will realize too late. And is the only thing that AI can never ever do. I had over 500 coaching calls, helped dozens of video editors, and the ones who break out have only one thing in common. And is the exact opposite of what every AI guru out there is telling you to do right now. As I told you, I went deep down into the rabbit hole. Cloud Code, Vmotion, Hyperframes, and many other tools. I created motion graphics in just 3 minutes, had entire workflows that took care of 80% of the editing process, you know, the boring part, so I can focus on the 20% that matters. And here is what I found out. AI doesn't replace video editors, it exposes them. AI is making the bad, average video editor just invisible, but makes the ones who are willing to become a partner, the ones who are moving more towards becoming a strategist for their customers, 10 times more dangerous. Because while NPC editors are fighting against AI, content operators are embracing it. The operators use AI to deliver one video that used to take 10 hours in just 2 hours, and then use the extra time to do the only thing that AI can never do, which is feeling the audience, studying the market and understanding what the viewer wants so they can use it while creating content, making sure that the customer is getting way closer to their goal with each video created together. The editors who are going to survive are not the ones who reject AI, and the editors who are going to survive are not the ones who become AI experts overnight. They are the ones who become the operator AI runs underneath. Every editor stuck under $5,000 a month right now, it's stuck because they are trying to become the tool. They are competing with AI at its own game and they lose every time. The editors who climb a level up, the ones who win, are the ones who are stopping selling cuts and they start selling judgment. So start learning the new tools. Start looking into how you can introduce them into your workflow. For example, Claude can already organize your folders, giving you time to think and to ideate animations. Or tools like Nano Banana Pro or One of 10 can help you with creating thumbnails in seconds. In fact, the thumbnail you clicked on for this video is created with these tools. And if you're already stuck between $1,000 to $4,000 per month and want me to help you personally in making that shift, then you can find the link for the Operator Guild below this video where you can book a call with me personally and we are going to talk and see exactly how we can scale your editing business. So see you either in the editing dojo or on the call.